Every business, regardless of size, faces potential disruptions. From natural disasters to cyber attacks, these threats can strike unexpectedly, leaving unprepared companies vulnerable. Are you aware of the unseen risks lurking in your business environment? Many companies underestimate these threats until it's too late. The impact can be devastating, leading to financial loss and reputational damage. Understanding these risks is the first step in safeguarding your business. Business continuity ensures your operations withstand unexpected disruptions. It's about keeping the wheels turning even when the unexpected happens. Are your operations resilient enough to handle a crisis? Disaster recovery focuses on restoring IT systems and data after a crisis. Together, these strategies minimize downtime and financial loss, ensuring your business bounces back swiftly. Regulatory bodies demand robust continuity plans. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and reputational damage. Are you prepared to meet these stringent requirements? Staying compliant not only protects your business but also builds trust with stakeholders. Compliance is not just a legal obligation, it's a strategic advantage. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in continuity and recovery planning. Our tailored solutions meet the unique needs of your business, ensuring you're prepared for any eventuality. We help you navigate complex regulatory requirements with ease. Our expertise ensures your business remains compliant, reducing risk and enhancing resilience. Regular testing of your plans reveals vulnerabilities you might not be aware of. Our experts simulate real-world scenarios to ensure your plans are effective. Testing helps you stay prepared for any eventuality. We produce detailed reports to meet compliance requirements, giving you peace of mind. Hear how we've helped businesses like yours reduce risks and achieve compliance. Our clients have successfully navigated crises with minimal disruption. Partnering with us means reduced risk, peace of mind, and a secure future. Are you ready to join the ranks of our successful clients? Don't wait for a crisis to strike before taking action. Contact Arrakis Consulting at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to start building your continuity and recovery plans. Together, we can protect your business and ensure its longevity. By taking proactive steps today, you'll safeguard your future and maintain your competitive edge. Let's recap. We've explored the unseen threats to your business, the importance of continuity and recovery, and the role of compliance. Arrakis Consulting is your partner in navigating these challenges. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, you'll reduce risk, meet regulatory requirements, and uncover unknown risks. Secure your business's future today.